The Bosch Dishwasher E27 error code indicates a malfunction in the power supply system, typically occurring when the mains voltage is lower than the appliance's rated voltage. Common causes of this error include short circuits that disrupt the power supply to the main control board or the appliance's connection to the power outlet. To fix the issue, try power cycling the appliance, which can clear minor short circuits. This involves turning the dishwasher off, unplugging its power cable from the main outlet for at least 10 seconds, and then reconnecting it. For hardwired appliances, use the circuit breaker to cut the power supply. Additionally, ensure the appliance is plugged correctly into the power outlet, avoiding the use of extensions, as they may not be heavy-duty enough to supply the dishwasher with sufficient voltage. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the E27 error code error and get your Bosch dishwasher working again.